Okay, part 2 of this assignment. This is a triple Venn diagram, and here's a few videos in this YouTube playlist that will help you. So again, with the side-by-side screens, if you would like to watch it as you go, there we go. This is just some good to know information, some interesting statistics regarding eating disorders. So I'm going to show you the assignment and kind of explain it. This is a little complicated, so I'm hoping that me explaining it to you via video will be easier than just doing it on your own. If it will load, we shall see. I'm going to pause this until it loads. All right, back at it. Here we go. So I've already put in some text boxes for you. What you're going to do in a Venn diagram, obviously, if it's outside like here, these are just facts about that specific eating disorder. So bulimia nervosa, anorexia nervosa, and binge eating. So what are some things that only apply to bulimia? What are some things that only apply to anorexia? And what are some things that only apply to binge eating? But then we get into the blue sections here, which is the shared facts about anorexia and binge eating, about bulimia and binge eating, and about bulimia and anorexia. And then in the middle, this is facts about all of them. So all three, and you can just put this in, are eating disorders. That is important. That is important to know. A disorder is a brain issue. It's a brain disease. It's something that you can't just turn off and on. And so eating disorders get kind of a generalized idea about how to deal with them, especially from people who don't know anybody that suffers or you've never suffered yourself. And so they think like, well, just eat something or just do this or do that, but it's a disorder. It's an issue that they're probably going to struggle with their entire lives. You can give yourself this disorder. It is the obsession with food and the way you look. So you can train yourself to kind of get this disorder. It's very scary because it's becoming more and more common, excuse me. All right. So that's how you do it. I need at least 2 per box. I'm going to type that up here right now because I don't, 2 per box. All right. So if you're watching this video, congratulations. I'm sure this is much easier than just doing it on your own. All right. Good luck.